If Clipchamp is showing a 500 internal server error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that can usually solve the problem fast. Whether the error is caused by a temporary glitch, a browser issue, or bad cached data, these steps will help you get Clipchamp working again without wasting time. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and easy guides. Let's start with the first and simplest fix. Open Clipchamp and refresh the page. A lot of the time, a 500 internal server error is just a temporary server response or a loading problem, and refreshing gives the app a chance to reload properly. If that doesn't work, the next step is to log out of your Clipchamp account and then log back in. Signing out and signing back in can reset your session and clear out any temporary authentication issue that may be causing the error. If you're still seeing the problem, it's time to clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, stored browser data can become outdated or corrupted, and that can interfere with Clipchamp loading correctly. Go into your browser settings, clear the cache and cookies, then close the browser completely and reopen it before trying Clipchamp again. This step fixes a lot of weird loading and server-related errors because it forces the site to start fresh. Another very effective fix is to use incognito mode. When you open Clipchamp in a private or incognito window, your browser loads the site without the usual cached files, extensions, or stored session data getting in the way. If Clipchamp works in incognito mode, that usually means the issue is related to your browser data, extensions, or profile settings rather than Clipchamp itself. If none of that works, try switching browsers. For example, if you've been using Chrome, test Clipchamp in Microsoft Edge, or if you've been using Edge, try Chrome instead. Sometimes browser-specific settings, extensions, or compatibility issues can trigger the 500 internal server error, and changing browsers is one of the fastest ways to isolate the cause. So to recap, the order you want to follow is open Clipchamp, refresh the page, log out and log back in, clear cache and cookies, try incognito mode, and finally switch browsers if needed. In most cases, one of these steps will get rid of the error and let you continue editing without any issues. If this video helped you fix the Clipchamp 500 internal server error, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.